Good morning, everybody. So I wanted to show you a morning in the life of an embryologist, starting with beep beep alarm. If you ever hear an alarm at an embryology lab, don't freak out. This just means that the nitrogen tank switched over. So I'm going to go to the tank room and show you what that means.